I can tell all the boys. All the boys.
Is it yummy, Lily?
Yeah.
What are you eating?
My chocolate.
No, that's not chocolate. Mitä sä syöt?
It's yogurt.
It's yogurt. That's right, darling.
Eggs.
It's not eggs. No, you wanted to have eggs. When mommy asked, what do you want to have for dessert after you finished your lunch? And you said eggs. Mommy said, no, let's eat yogurt instead. Is it yummy? Strawberry yogurt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oliver is eating so well too.
No lollipop.
No, lollipop.
It's no shopping.
Mitä?
No shopping.
No shopping.
Yes, shopping.
Yes, shopping.
Yes, the boat.
Are you going to go to your dance class today, Lily? Yeah, those you can take your slippers with you. Yeah, your dancing slippers.
And balls.
You're gonna play with balls there, yeah, and hula hoops, and you're gonna dance.
No.
Oh yeah, last time you hurt your nose with the hula hoop. What happened then?
I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, the lady said sorry, and mommy gave you a cuddle, and then you were okay. Yeah? You had fun?
Yes.
Yes. Was Aurelia there?
Yes.
Yes. Was Stella there?
Yes.
That was nice. Uh-huh. What did Oliver say?
Yes.
Say, excuse me, Oliver.
Give me all the water. The best.
Okay, darling.